stoplight just taking forever, man. We've been here like 5 minutes. All right, gonna go on a little canyon run. I really wish it wasn't raining. Well, it's just sprinkling right now, but the roads are pretty wet, or let's just say a little damp, but I'm not gonna go all out today, but you know, I just need a little drive therapy today. I'm gonna leave traction control on. But these PS4S's, I'm telling you, are pretty damn good in the wet. I wouldn't really call the roads wet. I would just call them very damp. But damn, this car just eats up these turns. It's so good, man. This car, it's just made to do this. It just feels like it. Just feels so organic. Just love it, man. Ooh, back end kicked out a little bit. That's okay. Traction control, figured it out. We're sorted it out. And we're not even going that fast. Tires are cold though, too. You know, when I'm on these tight canyon roads, you know what scares me the most is other people going the opposite direction. Which is why I tend not to go all out on this road. I'm such a puss when it comes to wet roads or wet canyon roads. It's just bad past experience. But overall, the car, man, I love it. I don't know, this car just speaks to me, connects with me, especially on roads like this. It's just, wow. Coming up to our lookout point soon. Then I'm gonna turn around, I'm gonna grab something to eat. That's just about it. Hopefully in a couple months, we'll get some good weather.
3 days later.
Let's go to the shop. Taking M4 today. God damn, that thing is so loud. God damn, people on the road are fucking idiots today, man. I got like almost 2 accidents, fuckers. All right, let's get out of here. Isaac! Straight for the Sawzall, huh?
We race the BMW boys. Damn! Almost there.
AMG GT, getting some down
I
pipes.
gotta get the other one out first.
What?
Yeah, I think I gotta get the other one out first.
Yeah, you might as well cut off the other one while you're
Yeah.
down pipe install on the AMG GT. This thing's gonna be loud.
All right. Moment of truth. This guy, Robert, has been waiting probably 4 months, 5 months, maybe even 6 months for his custom valve master downpipes to come in.
What do you think? It's gonna be loud or not? What do you think?
It has to be loud because for Robert's request, he wanted to piss off his neighbors. So this guy's a menace. So if it's not loud, he wants to take it all back to stock and just part it out.
All right, let's do it. Let's give her a good old cold start. Ready?
Robert?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Valves are open.
All right. I don't think we're pissing off the neighbors right just yet.
It might need a full titanium exhaust.
Yeah, I don't think the valves were open on that cold start. Now, yeah, you can hear a difference now.
Maybe it won't open, like on the 7 Series, it doesn't open till it warms up for a second.
Yeah. Yeah, it's that factory thing, you know,
Yeah.
factory valve.
Once that module's in, then if you do the cold start,
Ask him if it'd be too cold start. It wouldn't be too cold
that was cold start. Yeah, that was cold starting. He didn't say anything about it.
Yeah. Oh, there you go.
A little bit more. It's only like 100 degrees.
Yeah, it's still cold. We can't rub it yet.
82 degrees. Let's let it get above 100.
All right, rev it out, man. Don't be a bitch. Oh! Let's go!
Let's go, man.
Oh, dude.
Bomba clot.
That shit was loud as fuck.
Bomba clot. more aggressive than Kai's.
Yeah, is it?
That's more aggressive than Kai's, not gonna lie.
Wow, you hear that, Kai?
I'm not talking shit, man. He just has the more crackled pop tune stuff
Oh,
going.
Yeah. Oh, the tune, that's right, huh?
Yeah, I told him same AMG crackles, but on the slightly more aggressive side.
Gotcha.
The next day.
Off to a car, mate.
Good to go, Island Boy?
Let's roll. Go ahead, I'll follow you. Damn, seeing it on the road looks so good. Finally, some good driving weather. It's literally 73 degrees. Perfect for driving. Aroma.
Dude,
Bro.
pimp.
What do you think, bro?
This is pimp.
First impressions.
I've seen one at Monterey, that was it.
So this is like a GT car, right? It's not everybody's thing. So it's a different feel.
This is gonna replace the Maserati for daily driving?
That's daily driving on the rainy days.
Yeah,
True.
This is your daily driving.
Damn. Our Isaac's gonna switch up cars. We're gonna leave the M4 here. He's gonna drive the 458. Roma, got the M2. Man, this lineup is looking fresh. Damn, that Lotus looks really good. GTR. You know where the mid pipe yet?
I did.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, he's waiting for it to come in?
Yeah.
Then you get some
Why are
sound.
you recording?
Because,
I
man.
don't want to be in front of the camera.
Well, you are now. Too late. Say hi, Stephanie. There you go. That's right, man. Everybody's got to get a G80 now. Oh, can't do those. Dude, sick. Check this out. Look at this. M4. I got one of those. Oh, dude.
Right now.
He got the gap cam on, dude. The gap cam. Oh, dude. It's going to turn into a takeover, dude. Hey.
You need to give him a run.
I bet you won't. Let's go. Got all the Beamer boys parked together. Look at that lineup. Oh, got one. I won't get run over. Check it out. Sick. Should have brought mine too, man. But I think I wanted to drive the Ferrari instead. But can't blame him. Wide body GTR. Check that out. Sick. Dude, M4 on TEs. Damn. Yeah, I should get some TEs too. Shit. I need TEs, man.
This one's good.
You don't mind JDM wheels on a European car?
The TE, everything.
Okay, gotcha.
TEs can go on anything.
All right, there you go. You guys heard it. Yeah. Cars all lining up.
Just in time, we're parking all the dogs.
Guys. Oh my god.
How come it's pointing up?
There.
He's gone.
Yeah, you finally had the courage to go to the bathroom.
Just got some Thai food with the boys. Man, that stuff was good as hell. Oh, people are parking out here, huh? All right. Guess they ran out of parking. Another R33. There's like no light out here. This Lotus is legit, man. I really like this Lotus. Dude, Lotus looking fucking sweet.
We're gonna be stuck here for a while.
Why is that? You can get out.
I can hear them go back a little bit.
It's all good. Is Cop gonna do a burnout?
I'm gonna have him act like he's arresting Luca.
No balls. No balls.
You're gonna do that?
Did someone do a fat burnout?
Yeah.
What was it?
Yeah, they've been doing burnouts.
They've been doing it for like 2 hours.
Dude, I miss this.
Alright, I don't think there's anything else going on around here. But cops rolled in, they were cool. They didn't really do nothing. But other than that, I'm out of here.
That's on the aggressive side for verbal.
No warm up, nothing. No warm up.
It's been warming up.
Oh, has it?
Bro, we started it and we've been chasing Kai around trying to find him.
Yeah, man, that thing sounds really, really good. For just downpipes, the stock exhaust, yeah, this thing just sounds legit. Everybody's rolling out. Got everybody revving their shit. So, I mean, it's time to go. Damn. AMG sound fucking dope.